In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Playhead to start of timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're reviewing a cut from the very beginning, prepping for an export, or just resetting your view after scrubbing around, getting the Playhead back to the timeline start is a simple move that saves time on every edit. Let's walk through a few reliable ways to do it, and I'll share some quick tips so the process fits your workflow. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app and load the project you're working on. For this demo, we'll work on the edit page, which you can access from the page strip along the bottom of the interface. The edit page gives you the full timeline view, so it's easy to see the playhead jump right to the head of the sequence. The fastest method is the dedicated keyboard shortcut. Press the home key. As soon as you tap it, the playhead snaps to the very start of the timeline, regardless of which clips or tracks are selected. If your keyboard doesn't have a physical home key, many laptops map that function to a modifier, such as the function key plus the left arrow. The exact combination can vary by keyboard model, so if it doesn't respond at first, check your laptop's function key labels or system keyboard settings. On extended keyboards, the home key is usually in the navigation cluster above the arrow keys. If you prefer menus, or if a shortcut isn't behaving as expected, you can use the transport command from the top menu bar. Click playback, hover over go to, and choose timeline start. This does the same thing as the home key and is helpful when you're working on a system where shortcuts are shared, remapped, or temporarily unavailable. It's also a good way to confirm the behavior you want, since the wording in the menu makes it crystal clear. Finally, if you want a shortcut that feels more natural on your setup, you can create your own. Go to DaVinci Resolve in the menu bar and open Keyboard Customization. In the search field, type Timeline Start. You'll see it listed under the Playback category. Click to select it, then press the key or key combination you want to use. Resolve will warn you if that key is already assigned, so you can pick something conflict-free. Assigning a shortcut, you'll remember, whether that's a single key on an extended keyboard or a comfortable modifier combo, makes jumping to the start effortless. That's all there is to it. Open Resolve, work on the edit page, use Home for speed, the playback menu for clarity, and customize a key if you want a perfect fit for your workflow. Happy editing.